why the UP state of medical station is progressing so fast, so widely and so nicely. And we are also part of it. We get inspirations from these dynamic persons. Thank you.
Dr. Vijay Agrawal, Ordinance Secretary Dr. Archana Tandon, Dr. Tandon, Dr. Singhal. Question: things can be reached to you people, to the general member of the Indian Medical Association? That's a big question. And to deal with, we are desperately trying a little best. Since the day I have come to this seat to communicate with you, but again, but, B-U-T, but. This but comes in between. And the reason is, we do not have your email addresses. We do not have your phone numbers. We do not have your postal addresses, by and large. So I'll appeal from this dais today to kindly, at least the officials of the local branches, to send your email addresses to the head office and to me even. I was to come on that very point. I was not pointing out to this branch, but you should. So we are in a bad position to communicate. Because sometimes, if something happens, as it happened last month in Moradabad, and because of the quick communication, and we have got various committees also, and I'll request, if anybody of you, you have got to start to select Dr. J. Agrawal, Dr. S. K. Raj here at Moradabad. We have got a very dynamic man winner. So you can, immediate past present need, you can talk to them. If anybody of you wants to work for IM in any of the committee, you can talk to them and you can be included in that committee so that we may gain something from your side. So I'll not take much of the time I already taken. I'll say, because 2 months back I had given my thing, be friends. So kindly make yourself as friends. It will give you another problemless time and be the member. So I'll leave this guys by saying, should be no hitch, no ifs and buts. Kindly motivate the young doctors to be the members of the IMA and make your association strong, and in turn yourself. Long live IMA.
Thought-provoking words. Now, as a token of remembrance, let us present a memento to all our guests. Dr. Babita Gupta ma'am, you are requested to please present a memento to our guest of honor, Dr. Sanjay Jain. Dr. J.P. Tandon sir, could you please oblige by presenting a memento to our guest of honor, Dr. Sharad Agarwal. Now may I request our dynamic chief guest, Dr. Ravi Mehra, to please present the memento to our President IMA, Dr. Archana Agarwal. So please present a memento to Dr. S. K. Raj. Dr. Ravi Mehra sir. Dr. J.P. Tandon. Dr. Vijay Agrawal. Dr. Sanjeev Singhal. May I request Dr. Ravi Mehra sir to also please give memento to past presidents of IMA UP, Dr. Ashok Agarwal. Past President Dr. G.S. Gupta. Dr. K. Joint Secretary Dr. G.S. Khanduja. Dr. Anand Prakash, the Treasurer. Dr. Ravi Mehra, please press. And last but not the least.
Yes, she deserves it.
Please deliver the vote of thanks.
To the dais, speakers, and fellow delegates. I, Dr. Archana Tandon, Organizing Secretary of IMA Medicon 2014, on behalf of the Organizing Committee, extend my heartfelt gratitude for accepting our invitation and blessing us with your gracious presence. My words carry malice towards none and are meant to convey feelings on a lighter note. Happiness is the highest satisfaction. I feel proud to be a member of this female brigade. I thank our association for creating a milestone in the history of IMA by giving the reins of IMA in the hands of a lesser privileged, but in no way the lesser able gender. As I mentioned about the female brigade, I cannot help in sharing an incident. It was this very same place that when we were planning for the dais sitting arrangements that Dr. Vijay Agarwal, our chairman, and Dr. Archana said, Dr. Archana, we'll have a short inauguration. Just 5-6 chairs are needed here on the dais. And I said, sir, फिर तो आप कृष्ण कन्हैया हो जाओगे, sitting amongst all the females. And he got so afraid of being labeled as Krishna Kanhaiya that he had to call dignitaries from the state and national stage to his rescue and grace and share the stage with him. So, as I say these lines, at the back of my mind is running the sad state of affairs of India. As you must have seen in real life and in media, women in India continue to face atrocities such as rape, acid throwing, dowry killings, decreasing female sex ratio, and forced prostitution. According to global poll, India is the 4th most dangerous country in the world for women. And with one woman dying every few minutes of childbirth and many more suffering sexual abuse and domestic violence every minute of the day, somewhere in the world, we as primary healthcare physicians really need to do much more. Apart from the issue of women, everything is not gloomy in this medical world. It is indeed the greatest achievement of medical science that after smallpox, world has been declared polio-free on 15 January 2014. And the day is not far off when it will be declared HIV-free. Someone said the other day that CMEs for a local branch is not as important as organizing state events. And so we converted the CME to a state event with all the dignitaries from the state with us. Thank you, sir. IMA is the national organization of doctors with modern scientific system of medicine whose main objective is promotion and advancement of medical and all related sciences and improvement of medical education in India, as Dr. Sharad Jain said. Annual CMEs for continued medical education forms one of the most important events of all IMA branches. As organizing secretary, I took up organizing this CME as my dream project for the year. I had tried my best for organizing, assimilating, disseminating information within the organization as well as outside it. The ever-increasing number of IMA members due to the increase in the specialties and super specialties of medicine has compelled us to increase the number of deliberations. To give the CME the national resemblance, I thought of holding the CME in 4 halls, with each hall running a topic on gynecological, surgical, medical and other fields. Though we did not succeed in running it in 4 halls, but for the first time in our local IMA history, we did succeed in running 2 parallel sessions in 2 halls to accommodate 11 speakers, and partial success is success achieved. So from back to